is up, y'all? Man, this camera's hot. Excuse my camera work right now because this is my first time trying this setup. But you know what I'm saying, we back with the squad. This guy clever.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel.
Yes, sir.
You the one doing it today, not me.
I mean, I'm gonna be passing this camera, but we really about to go on a cruise.
Hey, welcome back to the vlog.
Nah, legit.
Hey, it's my first time being on this channel. You don't know me. My name is Redroue.
Yes, sir. Bro, I haven't done this in so long. It feels so weird.
PSA. If you guys didn't watch the last video, watch it. It was nice.
Bad.
Well, all these snaps edited.
Low key, we have so much more content coming.
For sure.
I mean, I'm gonna put some, like, you know what I'm saying, like some little clips in this vlog. So y'all can get a little idea of what we talking about. And if I look like I'm staring over here, I'm not used to this. I'm looking at
I'm used
myself.
to it because it's like because I
After a while, when you
own
see it, after a while when you look at it, you don't know, so you just look
right
at
here.
it.
True. Okay,
You can look at it, glance at it sometimes. Just
type. Yeah, I'm gonna get used to it. Ooh, my arm is already hurting.
Yeah.
This is why they make lightweight cameras. But now we about to go on a cruise. And bro, just say what's up to the vlog, man. This guy drives an E46.
Mine's just a month, so like, I'm not tripping.
Yeah. So this the E46, as y'all seen in the video. G35. My car, I'm not really gonna show y'all my car. I mean, it's an Audi A4 B6, but it's coming soon. There's literally no mods on the way.
Hey, RXS on the way, bro. Hey, it's been talks about it for like a cool minute, but man, look, we gonna get it done, man. It's gonna be something special.
Legit.
It's gonna be something very special.
Yes,
And you know
sir.
what else coming soon? You know what else coming soon?
Yo, hey, hold on. Oh man, do you have like anything out like this?
Right now?
What? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
True. Okay, I might put like a little clip in here. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna edit this, so yeah, we'll see what happens. Let me fix this up a little bit. We're about to go on a little cruise, so I'm gonna see y'all.
I wonder if I spit, bro. I don't know you.
I ain't gonna lie. What I've learned is
I can say I have no.
Back it up, back it up. Back up, my guy, back up. Oh, y'all going that way. We're in the garage right now. There's like cops following us, low key. And low key, that cop came out of nowhere, actually. Did y'all seen that cop that made the right turn with us?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. So we're just gonna call it a day. We're still in the garage right now. There's the G. We're getting ready to shoot that right now. Let me show y'all more of that. Yeah, we're getting ready to shoot it right now. So we're kind of just positioning the car, you know, like angles and all of that. So stay tuned for this shoot. Our other cars are right there, so stay tuned for this.